Hey guys, Roman here. Welcome to my channel. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to hide a footer from your page in Squarespace. So without further ado, let's get started. This is the template I'm working on and we're talking about site footers and how to remove them. So first off, I have to say that there are a few CSS codes that you basically insert into like the advanced kind of uh, item here in editing of the page settings, and you can insert them, but none of them really worked for me. They worked for the header, for the site header, but they don't work for the footer. So my way around this is basically just going to edit, and when you scroll down, just edit the footer and just remove it. Just remove this section and you will be able to add that section back anytime you want. But if you don't want it there, just stick with this and go with save right here. And as you can see, the footer has been removed. So check my other videos where I showed where the link that I pasted works for removing or hiding the header. But yeah, let me know in the comments if you have a way how to go around this. I will be happy to learn something also from you guys. But this is a pretty good solution because you can put it back anytime you want. So yeah, that's it guys. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.